Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be talking about a fingerprint lock that is offline. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this particular lock. If you buy a fingerprint lock, it needs to be offline, meaning you need to be able to program it without an application. That's how it's supposed to work. You don't need to have an app. This lock will get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome ratings hands down. This is absolutely incredible. Now, we're going to take it out of the box. It does not, we're just going to go over the simple things that it comes with. And it is the lock and the charging cable. It does not come with the AC adapter. Just be sure that you're aware of that. By default, any finger or any fingerprint or nose print, for that matter, will open up the lock. To program the lock, you press and hold the button for a few seconds. Okay, we're going to show you how to register the first fingerprint for this lock. So with it open like so, okay, you touch and hold the fingerprint pad, you see it, and then you'll see a light in blue show up, okay? And you'll see it once. Remove the finger and then there will be a green light. While the green light is on, touch the fingerprint pad with one or two fingers you wish to use to unlock the padlock. So you can register two fingers during this time, which is great. So that's what we're going to do right now. So we're going to press and hold. And there's the light. So now we're ready to go. It didn't register that one. When it goes in blue, it registered it. Okay, it's done. So now we close the lock. And now it should open. But only with that finger. Well, this finger too. So we can try this thumb. I didn't program it to do this thumb. This thumb, I did. And I also did this finger. And I didn't do the middle finger. So it should fail. This is an incredible product, folks. This is incredible. See, I hit it the wrong way. Yeah, I hit it the right way there. Thumbs up, baby. This is incredible. Very easy to use. Comes with incredible, easy to read instructions, and it's verbose. It tells you everything you need to know. It's amazing. Okay, now we're going to teach you how to delete all the fingerprints on the lock. You just put your finger on this and unlock it first. Really? Here we go. All right, we unlocked it. Now what we want to do is we want to touch and hold until we see a red light once. Then we remove the finger, and then there should be a blue light. Okay, now we pick the finger that's authorized and hold it. Okay. Now it's done. Everything is cleared. So any finger will now open up the lock. The included instructions is incredible. This is an amazing product, and I give it the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating hands down because it actually works really well. You can program all your fingers to it. If you want to just do two, you just want to do your right hand. It doesn't really matter. You can do all of them, including your toes if you want, and your nose. If you want it, as long as you keep programming it to, to do it, you could do your nose if you wanted to, as long as it reads it, pretty much, and it remembers it. If you guys like this video and you think this video deserves a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.